Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Lewis and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In this lecture we will talk about the cubic equation and the roots about the cubic equation. Students, actually according to your syllabus or according to the course outline, equation he is considering as a polynomial. The cubic polynomial can be of the form ax cube provided a is not 0 and it has exactly 3 roots. So we can write, let's say the roots are alpha, beta, gamma. Understand? So you can write b over a. If you take a common from here, you have like this. So you can write b over a as sum of the roots and c over a as product of two roots and d over a as product of all the roots. You can write it as sum of alpha beta and sum of alpha beta gamma. So student, when we will multiply these three factors, you will get of the form a z cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma z square alpha beta alpha gamma z. This one you will find the product in this form, and when we will compare you will get this one. We are given a cubic polynomial x cube plus px plus q in term of p and q, and it is given that one root is repeating. So since by the fundamental theorem of algebra we have 3 roots of this polynomial, so according to given condition we have the roots of given cubic polynomial are alpha, alpha and beta. What we have to do, we have to prove it. Since by the relation of sum of roots and the coefficient of polynomial, we can write sum of the roots 2 alpha plus beta is 0, because if I rewrite this equation x cube 0 x square px plus q is 0. So sum of the root is 0. Product of two roots alpha square and 2 alpha beta is p, and product of all the roots alpha square beta is minus q. So you can see from here this relation is free of alpha and beta. So it means we have to eliminate alpha and beta. So we can use this equation beta is minus 2 alpha. So substitute here and also here, you will get what, minus 4 alpha square. So you can write minus 3 alpha square is p and alpha square is minus p by 3. And when you substitute beta is minus 2 alpha, minus 2 alpha cube minus q, q is q, oh sorry, q by 2 is alpha cube. Let's say this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. So take square of equation 1, equate equation 1 square and equation 2 cube. Equation 1 square is alpha 6 is equal to q square by 4. This is also alpha 6. So you have minus p cube by 27. So you can, by cross multiplication, you can rewrite 4p cube is 0. And this is the same. So you have proved. So student, question is easy, but for any further assistance you can contact on our WhatsApp number. See you again. Allah Hafiz.